24 RBIs.
First pitch, fastball. Runner doesn't go as the next pitch breaks in for. And the 0-2. Runner goes, and the pitch is tapped 2 on the ground. 0-2 again. Fastball miss. Timing down. Doesn't go as the next pitch is lifted in the air. Center field. Andrew Salas comes in, now goes back, and he will make the catch. It's plenty deep enough for a run. It's a sacrifice fly for Wilson. Sanchez comes in to score, and Tampa takes right fielder. Something to keep an eye on, maybe. As a fastball is 0-1. Off speed, misses a little bit low. 1 ball in third base dugout. 1-1, fouled out of play to the left. Something that, baseball players growing up, you always have to deal with. Slow break. 2-2. Hard ground ball right to Carter Johnson, who gobbles it up. Makes the easy throw across the diamond. Tyler Wilson made it a little bit.
The plate. Hit in 6 consecutive games.
Hard hit ground ball on one hop right to Owen Cobb, who ranges and fires over to first. Just a 1-run deficit here as a 3-1 is hit on the ground on 2 hops over to second base. Owen Cobb has it, flips it over to first, and that's another 1-2-3 inning for Unity here in Jupiter.
Well, with a walk. He gets underneath this one. It's popped up straight back. Carlos Sanchez goes to a 5-1 deficit. Chopped over towards first. 1-2 pitch. Just reaching out. Pitch. Is a changeup. 2-2 offering. Just poked over towards second base. Schreier fields it on a hop. No play at home. He gets the out at first. 2-2 pitch. Line down the right field line. Hooking. It's a foul ball.
Great to have in a young player.
3-2. This one tapped over the pitcher's mound, charging in the shortstop Matthews. Only 1 plays at first. It's close, but he's out. Liner looping. It's down, not caught cleanly by Cobb. The quick recovery, though, throws to first in time to get head. You don't have. Wilson swings right over top of first. Be here with 2 outs in the top of the 6th. Line drive into right field, falling fast and down for a base hit. Brian Sanchez comes in to score on the RBI single by Tyler Wilson. That makes it now an 8-3 lead for the Tar. 1-2. Reached out and grounded over to shortstop. Tough play on the run for Juan Matthews, but he makes it look easy. 1 away.
It would have been a tough play anyway, but. As the 1-0, 90. 1-1. Breaking ball, a good one. It's 3 games officially. 1-2. Soft line drive into the leaping Abraham Ramirez, who makes the nice catch. And that'll do it for the Tarpons here in the 7th.
A different tone.
1-1. Ground ball over to the right side. This will get a run home, but it'll also be an out. Cruz gets the run batted in, his 2nd of the season. But Tampa has played 1 fewer game. Ground ball hit up the first base line, handled by Wilson. He takes it to the base himself, and that'll do it for Jupiter here in the bottom of the 7th. Johnson up to 2 on the season. Head smokes a ground ball into the glove on 1 short hop at second base. Look what I was on. 1-2. Soft ground ball to the left side. Ranging over is the third baseman Montero, who fires it across the diamond, and there's 2 away. 2 runs batted in. As the pitch misses out. And the pitch. Hit it out of play, and it's 1-1. Fastball high outside. 1-2. Fastball down the chute for strike 3. First strikeout for 0-2. Hard ground ball to the right side. Sliding grab Owen Cobb, and he flips it onto first. That's a very nice play by Cobb. And it's a 1-2-3, bottom of the 9th inning here at Roger D.